this time the non-transmitting mode. Laptop computers may be used during the flight. However, for takeoff and landing, those will need to be turned off and stowed, either underneath the seats in front of you or securely into an overhead compartment. Please not in the seat pockets in front of you. Flight attendants, please prepare the doors for departure, cross-check and all calls. Once again, everyone, good afternoon. Welcome aboard our flight to Los Angeles. My name is Stephanie, your flight leader on board. I'm assisted in the cabin by two excellent Los Angeles-based flight attendants. If there's anything we can do to make your flight a little more comfortable or enjoyable this morning, please don't hesitate to call on us. In just a few moments, we'd like to ask that you kindly direct your attention to the video monitors as we point out some very important safety features on board our Airbus Series 319 aircraft. Thank you, and again, welcome on board.
Sometimes inspiration is hard to find, and we can feel a little bit stuck. It's time to explore new cultures and rediscover the palette of our planet, because our world is better in color. Color awakens our senses. It stirs our curiosity. The best way to find it? Get out there. Because at Delta, we believe expanding your horizons will expand your world.
Welcome aboard, and thank you for choosing Delta. The health and safety of our customers and crew is our #1 priority, and the shared responsibility of everyone on board. So before we depart, please pay attention to this important message. Stow all carry-on items securely in an overhead bin and place smaller items completely under the seat in front of you. Keep the aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas clear.
If you lose an electronic device in your seat, do not adjust your seat and ask a crew member for help.
As we leave the gate, fasten your seatbelt by inserting the metal tip into the buckle and adjusting the strap so it's low and tight across your lap. To release, lift the top of the buckle.
Stay seated with your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and keep it fastened whenever you're seated in case of sudden rough air. In the event of rough air, the crew might also need to buckle up for safety. We appreciate your understanding if our service is interrupted.
Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with all crew members' instructions, along with the posted placards and lighted information signs throughout the cabin.
Smoking, vaping, the use of e-cigarettes, or any smokeless product, including chewing tobacco, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying restroom smoke detectors. There are 6 exits on this plane, 4 doors, 2 on each side, and 2 window exits over the wings. Each door has a detachable slide that can be used as a raft. Escape straps are located in overhead bins above each window exit and can be used to assist in a water evacuation onto the wing.
In the event of an evacuation, leave all carry-on items behind.
All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. Locate the nearest exits, and remember, they might be behind you.
If we lose power, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure changes, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above your seat and inside the lavatories. Reach up and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering and place the mask over your nose and mouth. Slip the elastic strap over your head and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and note that oxygen is flowing, so don't worry if the bag doesn't inflate. Be sure to adjust your own mask before helping others.
A water evacuation is also unlikely, but just in case, life vests are in a compartment beneath or adjacent to your seat. To use, remove the vest from its container by pulling on the tab and then opening the pouch. Flip the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, attach it to the buckle in front, and adjust securely around your waist. As you leave the plane, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab at the bottom, or manually inflate it by blowing into the tube at shoulder level. A water-activated light is attached to each vest.
For children under 35 pounds, place the vest around their waist and secure the strap between the legs. See your safety card for more information. Additional life vests for in-lab children are in marked compartments at the front and rear of the plane. We'll distribute these vests if necessary.
Now, before we take off, bring your seat to its upright position and stow your tray table. Be sure you fasten your seatbelt low and tight across your lap, secured your carry-on items, and put your armrests at resting position. Finally, take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat pocket. While we finish our safety check, please let us know if you have any questions.
As we get ready for takeoff, please settle in. And from all of our crew, thank you for flying with Delta.
We're offering fast, free Wi-Fi on today's flight. Switch your device to airplane mode and turn Wi-Fi on. Next, choose the deltawifi.com network. If the Wi-Fi sign-in page does not open, go to deltawifi.com using your browser. Sign in with your SkyMiles account, or sign up for SkyMiles for free. Once connected, you'll unlock Delta Sync exclusives, where you can explore curated experiences from brands you love, all with a SkyMiles membership.
We'll be turning our cabin lighting off for our flight to Los Angeles. Additional lighting is located above your head, along with the controls for your air vent and your flight attendant call button. If you accidentally push your flight attendant call button, just push it again, that will turn it off. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, from flight deck number 1 for takeoff. Airborne shortly. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for departure.
behalf of Delta and our global airline partners, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. Our priority on this flight is a safe, clean, and comfortable experience for you. For your safety, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Please use caution when opening overhead bins, as may have shifted during takeoff, and please keep the aisle clear of any potential trip or bag straps. Federal regulations require all customers to comply with crew instructions. It also prohibits the use of cellular networks during flight. The use of Wi-Fi to make voice or video calls is not allowed on any Delta craft. Information on approved electronic devices can be found on the safety information card in your seat pocket. Fast free Wi-Fi is available on today's flight for our Sky Miles members by network, or see the seatback card to get started. We invite you to enjoy our complimentary entertainment and a variety of complimentary Coca-Cola beverages and snacks. Alcoholic beverages are available for purchase in our main cabin. Please note that federal regulations prohibit consuming any alcohol you may have brought on board with you. To see what drink and snack selections are available on our flight, you can simply scan the QR code in the food and drink section on your seatback screen. You will save 20% in the form of a statement credit and earn double miles when you use your Delta Sky Miles credit card from American Express. If there's anything we can do to make your flight experience a little more comfortable, please don't hesitate to call on us. For the time being, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight to Los Angeles with us. Thank you, and again, welcome on board.